The mine behind me, they chose to go exclusive Komatsu. This is why we built this. They're 24/7 operations, so in order to support them, we needed this here.
We had a great opportunity to service our customer Golden Queen, and it was important to us to be able to support our customer from a very local location.
The intent was that this would be a good service spot for us for the high desert. Prior to having this facility, we had to store parts in LA, and the traffic in LA and the congestion down there is terrible. So the response time can sometimes be inhibited. We committed to a little over 3 acres, about an 8,000 square foot building. This has everything on site to support the mine that's just 2 or 3 miles away.
We stock over 5 million in parts inventory here for major components, small parts, anything to keep their machines up and running. We have on site currently 3 resident technicians, and then we also service the mine with other technicians throughout our other locations in Southern California.
I have a background in mining. I have 27 years working in the mining industry at all levels. Komatsu's product second to none. I've seen them against competitors and I'm impressed with what they can do. Also, the product support. We have great teams who put in place to support the equipment. We have a great reman shop where we do rebuilds for transmissions, engines, wheel motors, you name it.
I think the branch is definitely a symbol of what we're willing to do to support the customer. We're lucky enough in this area to have 100% Komatsu mine, and we're doing everything we can to support them and make sure that they're successful.